The stock market, a place where billions are made and billions are lost. Some call it a game, others call it a system. But what really is the stock market? Who controls it? And how does it impact your daily life, even if you've never invested? Today, we break it all down, simply, clearly, and completely. At its core, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership in companies. That ownership is called a stock or share. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. For example, if a company is worth $1 million and has 1 million shares, each share represents a tiny fraction of ownership. Key idea: companies sell shares to raise money, investors buy shares to make profit. Companies enter the stock market through something called an IPO, initial public offering. Why? To raise large amounts of capital, to expand operations, and to compete globally. But going public has a cost. Companies must now answer to shareholders and the market. There are two main ways investors make money. First, capital gains: buy low, sell high. Second, dividends: some companies share profits with investors. This is called a dividend, passive income from your investment. Reality check: not all stocks go up. Prices can fall quickly, and losses can be severe. Stock prices don't move randomly. They react to company performance like revenue, profit, and growth. They also react to global events: wars, oil prices, economic crises, and money and interest rates, and psychology, which is the most important. Fear and greed drive markets. Sometimes prices rise with no logic and crash without warning. The market isn't controlled by small investors alone. Major players include hedge funds, banks, and governments. These entities move billions and influence trends. The stock market has experienced major crashes: the 1929 Great Depression, the 2008 financial crisis, and the 2020 COVID crash. Each time, markets fell sharply and then eventually recovered. Key lesson: the market is volatile, but also resilient. Even if you don't invest, the stock market affects jobs, inflation, currency value, and economic growth. The stock market is a reflection of the world's economy, emotions, and future expectations. Understanding it is understanding how money really works. Subscribe for more deep financial breakdowns and global insights.